Hey everyone, welcome to Get Ready with me, Louise. So today we're going to be playing with the Urban Decay Naked Foxy palette. I really like this packaging. It's so cute. And then you open it up. It's got a nice size mirror, the length of the palette. And then here's the shades. I have, I guess, like a hazel color eye, green. It's like green and then kind of goes into like a brownish goldish color. So I guess that's hazel. But I find that this kind of really makes my eye pop in a sense. The first shade we're going to go into is SLY. And I'm going to use that as my transition shade. I really enjoy using the one yesterday, for sure. That was my definite color story there. But I actually enjoyed using this one too. I really do think it depends on what you like in a color story. But for $29, I mean, they're quick, easy to use, like they build and blend nicely, the shadows do. Like, I'm kind of really enjoying it, to be honest with you. I mean, and I didn't expect this to be that dark of a color either. Because look at it in the palette here. It's this one right here. SLY. Like, it's got some pigment to it. Now, the only thing I will say about this particular palette is the inner corner. I went with that whiter shade in here for the inner corner, but I do think that I would just use whatever my highlighter was, to be honest with you. But that's just, me. I'm going to take that same shade and run it under my lower lash line. I just really think these palettes are great for beginner, especially for beginners. It gives you a little bit of something as far as color, like to mix it up just a little bit, your lid shape basically. But I'm going to go into the shade Funky Town now. Cute. And I'm going to lay it down. I kind of decided to go with different brushes. My cat's in here. Today I'm using some Zoeva brushes and stuff. I don't mind them, the Zoeva. I don't know if you can still purchase them. I got mine off of Ulta, which I have noticed that they're not really being sold on Ulta anymore. Okay. What are you doing, Coco? Come here, Cocoa Puff. Come here, baby. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come here. Here's Cocoa Puff. She's no longer a baby. No. Look at her. She looks like a giant Cocoa Puff, don't she? Oh. Her beautiful. Oops. We're going to knock everything down. Alright. So then I'm going to take Funky Town and run it under the lower lash line. We have 3 cats, you all now. It's craziness here. Like, we got Chanel, which was like, we needed a cat, And then Cocoa I got from a gas station because somebody found a bunch of cats and I just felt bad, so I took one. And then, of course, we got the black cat, which I guess we're going with Moolah. And, for that cat's name. And, shoot. And, he's getting quite big. But it was either that cat or my daughter, my older daughter, coming home, so I picked the cat. Because her husband told her no more cats. Okay. Then I'm going to take the shade Get Down and we're going to place it on the lid. Again, I'm not wetting these shades. My primer today, though, I did use the Urban Decay primer today. Thought fitting. Haven't used it in a long time. I usually just stick with my MAC paint pot. But today I decided to use it. Okay. And then, like I said, I took that matte color, that Foxy color. It's like looks like a matte cream to me. I will say there is a lot of kick up in these pants, honestly. And I just put that in my inner corner. Like that. And then for my waterline, upper and lower, I thought this here would be good. It's part of the Raw Beauty Christie and ColourPop. I do not see a name on this anymore. But one of the liner that she picked, I thought it looked really good with this look. And then I just went ahead and grabbed my Bite Beauty Upswing Mascara. And I'll put that on my top lashes. Because to me, it's like this look is just a simple throw together look. You know what I mean? Like you're going out to lunch or work or, I mean, even dinner. But it's not like a hard look to create, so to say. And there's not much you have to think about because, like I said, the palette's pretty well self-explanatory for you, you know? I didn't even curl my lashes today. Because I really do think that you could, like, I'm talking and stuff, but I think if you were just to do your look, you could probably do it in 10 minutes maybe less. Because the shadows are just phenomenal to work with. And then I just put a little bit of my MAC on my bottom lashes. And we're done. Voila. Honestly, quick and easy, you all. These palettes are, like I said, for beginner, they're great. Even for me, yes, I've got Pat McGrath and Natasha Nadone and all them. But honestly, after using these, like if I need something quick and I don't have time to fuss, like I can't take that time and I just need it to be wham bam, thank you ma'am, in a sense. Urban Decay is the way to go. Their shadows are just easy to work with. It's not all this in your face glam or bam or metallic looks, but it's nice and it's natural and it's it's put together almost. Of course, now I'm spitting on myself. Go figure. But anyway, man, I made a mess of myself, didn't I? Got all excited over these palettes. I think it's just been a while for me because I didn't get the greens palette, which I know people said that was nice, and I may still get that. It is discounted. But the last palette I got for them would have been the ultraviolet palette, which I didn't mind. Again, if you need a purple palette, that may be the way to go. And actually, I'm going to get that ultra green palette now that I'm thinking about it, because I do, when I'm done these, want to look at these compared to other palettes to see what they're like and give you the price difference and break it down like that too. So I do need to get that. But the only other one I got is the half-baked one, and I'll use it tomorrow and see what it's like. I'm sure it's just as nice as the other two have been. But that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped in some way. This is the final look using that particular palette. I think it turned out nice. And I do think that if you got green eyes, it's going to look really nice against your green eyes. So I think it's going to make it pop. So, but if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, hit all. That way you're notified when I do upload. I upload a lot. I try. Even going back through older stuff I want to go through. So I want to go through it all. And I want to make a list of like what I think beginners need, what I think maybe intermediate, what I think, well, makeup artists already know, I don't need to worry about them. But maybe somebody that just wants to step out a little bit, but not too much. You know what I mean? Like, I'd love to make a list of the shadows that are easy to use if you're, you know, a beginner to just an enthusiast type of thing, you know? But anyway, I'll see you in my next one. And until then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.